Have you ever dreamed of unpacking just once while waking up in a different beautiful city every day? If so, a river cruise might be exactly what you're looking for. Hi, I'm Mike with Traveling with Mike Gray, and today I'm counting down my top 5 river cruises that belong on every traveler's bucket list. These cruises combine luxury, incredible scenery, fascinating history, amazing food, and stress-free travel. By the end of this video, you'll know which river cruise may be perfect for your next vacation. All right, let's dive into our countdown and explore these incredible river cruises together. Coming in at number 5 is the Mekong River. If you're looking for something beyond Europe, the Mekong is unforgettable. Flowing through Vietnam and Cambodia, this cruise lets you experience floating markets, ancient temples, colorful villages, and cultures that have remained unchanged for generations. One day you might be touring Angkor Wat, and the next you're visiting a local family making traditional rice paper by hand. This isn't just a vacation, it's an adventure. If you're enjoying these travel ideas, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel by visiting travelwithmikegray.com/watch. Every new subscriber helps me continue creating videos just like this. Number 4 is the beautiful Seine River in France. Most cruises begin or end in Paris before sailing through the heart of Normandy. Imagine visiting Monet's gardens in Giverny, walking through charming French villages, sampling incredible French cuisine, and exploring the beaches where history was made during the D-Day landings. If you love art, history, wine, and French culture, the Seine is hard to beat. At number 3 is one of Europe's best-kept secrets, Portugal's Douro River. The scenery here is absolutely breathtaking. Rolling vineyards stretch for miles as your ship glides quietly through one of the world's oldest wine-producing regions. You'll visit Porto, sample famous port wines, explore medieval villages, and enjoy authentic Portuguese cuisine. Many travelers say the Douro feels less crowded than other European rivers, making it perfect if you're looking for a more relaxed experience. If planning a river cruise feels overwhelming, that's exactly why I'm here. As a professional travel advisor, I help travelers choose the perfect itinerary, cruise line, and cabin, often at no extra cost to you. Visit travelwithmikegray.com when you're ready to start planning. Taking the number 2 spot is the legendary Rhine River. This is the river most people picture when they think of Europe. You'll cruise past medieval castles sitting high on cliffs, picturesque villages with half-timbered homes, beautiful vineyards, and some of Germany's most spectacular scenery. Popular stops include Amsterdam, Cologne, Strasbourg, Heidelberg, and Basel. The Rhine offers the perfect combination of history, scenery, and culture. It's easy to see why it's one of the world's most popular river cruises. And my number 1 river cruise, the Danube River. If you only take one river cruise in your lifetime, this would be my recommendation. The Danube takes you through several incredible countries, including Germany, Austria, Slovakia, and Hungary. You'll experience Vienna's grand palaces, Budapest illuminated at night, beautiful Salzburg excursions, classical music, historic cathedrals, and charming villages that look like they belong in a storybook. Every day offers another unforgettable experience. It's elegant, relaxing, educational, and absolutely beautiful. The wonderful thing about river cruising is that it removes almost all the stress from travel. There's no constantly packing and unpacking, no changing hotels, no worrying about transportation between cities. You simply relax while the scenery comes to you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe by visiting travelwithmikegray.com/watch, and click the notification bell so you never miss another travel tip or destination guide. And remember, whether you're interested in the Danube, Rhine, Douro, Seine, Mekong, or any other incredible river cruise around the world, I'd love to help you plan the perfect vacation. Visit travelwithmikegray.com to get started. Which river cruise would you choose first? The Danube, Rhine, Douro, Seine, or Mekong? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike with Traveling with Mike Gray, and until next time, safe travels.